We're studying Python and we're revising loops. Now, one thing we need to look at is what are the syntax for loops? All we need is for, counter, in range, start, and end.
Give me a second, sir. I am just doing something right now. I'm just opening up ideally, making a file.
For counter, in range, start, and end. Then you'll just put a code in there, and that code will repeat as many times as you from start till end, as many times as you want. Now, okay, that's the loop syntax. Now, how can I taking input into a list using loops? How do we do that one? Well, for this, all you have to do is for counter or for index in range. Now, the word index and counter don't make a difference, by the way. That's your choice.
But it works. It actually works. Nice.
Works. That's amazing. Good.
The macro works. The macro
works. Now, please focus on the class now, because the class is going to end soon, and you're late to class. So for counter in range, first thing first, let's say if the list is list none.
All this. We learned this so many times.
So many times, but you have to memorize it.
So many times, it sticks in my mind more than I learn now.
So we'll start always at 0 and we'll end at how many numbers we have.
If I don't know a question in math and I write like a whole question.
And all we have to do is list underscore num index is equals to the third word.
List underscore num equals index equals input.
Input. Okay, that's good. So you do remember. All right. I thought.
Yes, my brain is very smart. It looked real. Yeah.
Enter number. Now fine, that's how you take input into a list using loops.
Yeah,
one thing is missing is INT.
Still remember that, Mr. Shahid.
All right, Master Delta. Let's continue. Now next thing is list underscore letters, right? And for that we'll have to use strings. Now I'm just giving you this code because you are just revising it everything because you will have a test. And all you have to do here is remove the INT and letter and list underscore letter underscore index, square bracket index. Those are the two types. The first one is integer, the second one is strings. And the first one is, what is the first one?
The first one.
Yes.
Okay, the first one.
Integers.
Okay, so what it's saying, taking into a list using loops. Integers. So we'll just do 4 counts in integers and that's it. Okay,
that's it. Now, okay, fine. Now, if I want, let's say, let's loop revision. Let's just call it test revision.
Test. Oh no! Loops are not allowed in this. Only turtle. That's the thing we gotta do.
Only turtle. The test will be like 1 letter long. Right? Z. Done.
That's exactly what I want. Please,
exactly
sir.
what you want.
I'm begging you. Please.
In your dreams.
Please.
Now you have the new mouse, right? You have to use the new mouse. Now next thing is printing.
Two times.
Printing items in list.
No.
Using loops. How do we do that one? Well, all we need to do is we should have a list.
My homework because yeah, I can see some. And anyways, today's revision so I can do.
Now I'll just take some numbers here, some letters here. A, B, C.
Are there going to be loops in the test tomorrow?
Yes.
No. Then I'm not writing that test. No. I don't want loops. I'm fed up of loops already. And my brain is going to think of Minecraft loops, by the way.
Now we have a list like this. All our job is to look at the number of items we have, right? And that list index, let's just say list dot items, list underscore items.
Let's call items.
And all I have to do is print this. Instead of taking
I need a
input,
haircut.
we will print it.
Look at this hair, sir. It's longer than your hair. You know, when I was in LKG, I got a complaint because of my hair. It was this high.
Oh, all right. That's, well, when I was
like,
small,
and
when
it
I
was
was
so,
young,
and it was so
I
puffy,
had
so it fell down here.
yeah.
And I was like, and I looked very good then.
Right.
That
I
hair.
also had long hair, but we should take a haircut. Now this is done, right? List underscore items A1, ABC, all of this. We just print it for the counter index. That's what we're doing. Now, what is remaining here? We're looking at. That's fine. I'll give you the turtle syntax.
I like the turtle G. I like the curd G.
I like your cut J.
I like the curd G.
Turtle syntax. Now, turtle syntax is the first thing you need to know is imported. And then you need to set the shape of the turtle. Turtle.shape is equal to.
I know turtles, but I don't know look that much.
Turtle.shape, I'll say turtle. And one more
Yes,
thing.
sir, please
Do you know how to put
you always make them so hard. Why? And you only give me 45 minutes for what?
So the whole point of the test is that if you're actually intelligent, then you can actually score good marks.
Listen, my brain is not my hand. If I know the answer, I am, but my hands are not fast. How am I supposed to be at that time?
All right, now this is what we have so far. Turtle.syntax.
My brain, I think it's 5%.
After this, you'll have all
so
the
I would need
conditions.
approximately 1 hour and 25 minutes.
Turtle dot right. Turtle dot left. We also have turtle dot back. All of that is there.
I know all this stuff. You taught me these.
I think you've written this as well, right? So that's easy. Now, fine. Now we just loops is done. Loops is done. We'll take a very simple if condition. If conditions, syntax. If we have condition, then we have some code. Then what do we have? Aditya, after elif, if we have elif, condition, all right. And the last thing we have is else code. Now you will need if conditions in making a menu. Is that clear? Aditya, how do we make a menu?
I don't know.
Don't know. Is that clear? Are you sure?
Yes, I don't know.
Are
I
you
don't
sure?
remember at all. So.
At all.
Are you going to make me also make menus in the test? I'm up.
Yes.
By G, electrical G by.
And all we have to do is print options, right?
No,
print.
I don't want to deal with this. This is going to make my brain hurt for days.
Now all we have to do is print program name. We'll give option. It's option 1.
And then stupid amounts of stuff, bruh.
And option 2. Only 2 options.
I
not
say
more
no.
than that.
Sir, I say no.
That's it.
I say
so
no.
This is all you'll be getting in the exam, which is loop syntax.
But you have to remove. You can add if conditions, but not that many. No, not many. No.
But how can a program? Have you ever seen a program without a menu, Aditya? How will you like?
Yes, I have seen many without a menu.
All right. Does Zoom have a menu?
Of course not.
Of course not. Then how did you log in, Aditya? I can see the smile on your face. All right. Now let's.
The programmers are gonna do my pros, and I'm a new here. Okay, trying to make a menu.
All right. Now you're also becoming a pro slowly. Not a pro,
No.
but a novice. Novice. Then you'll become an amateur. Then you'll become
Yes.
semi-pro.
Novice. What is this? Moncart novice. Then a little.
All right. Now that is it. I want you to revise everything today. I'll finish your homework. All right.
What is this? Like Moncart novice expert. Like what is this?
Fine. Aditya, I think any doubts in turtle? Aditya?
Listen.
Any doubts in
If
turtle?
you are going to take a test for me in menu, you will have to also make me revise menu. All of I'm not taking a test.
All right, sure, no worries. We'll do that.
Yeah.
Any doubts in turtle syntax?
It's so dumb. It's so small.
Any doubts in turtle syntax?
No, turtle is dumb, so it's easy.
Easy, right? Okay. So the test is tomorrow. Please
What
revise.
is that? If conditions. There are going to be if conditions as well.
All right, I'll keep if conditions and no menu. Is that okay?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
All right.
These three. This is enough. Loops, if conditions, and turtle index. Turtle syntax.
Turtle. All right. All right. So I'll do one thing. The menu will be there, but you'll have the code for the menu. Okay.
Please don't make me do menus.
All right. All right
After
then.
we need some practice to make menus. I've already
Yes, fine. All right. All right. Now, can I speak to
And
your
you
mother quick?
expect me to do a
Please call your parents quick.
what?